and it will have been 36 hours here in my mom's house with no heat and no electricity. But how the fuck can we go to a shelter with the dogs? Omar's not potty trained. I mean, and it'll be chaos, all the people and kids, and the dogs bark at everyone. Her dog, you know, seems like she'll bite even if I don't, even sometimes I think she'll bite me. This is fucking hell. This is fucking hell. Hell. 35 degrees in my mom's house. An hour and a half, and it will be, it's 10 minutes of 8, 9:15 on the 8th. It's now the 10th, and it's 10 minutes of 8 on February 10th. This is Laura checking in and checking out the blizzard of 2013.